Shut up.
Hey, Rani, you know the bunch of
Good morning guys, and it's day 3 in Kodaikanal, and we'll be like keeping our luggage in the counter, and then we'll be heading to explore more around this place. And yeah, we have to say goodbye to our messy room. Okay guys, we are now headed to the Guna cave. We'll take a taxi to reach there. They dropped me at the Pillar Rock because to reach the Guna cave they have to take a round which is about 24 kilometers, and they wanted to like take 1500 rupees for that. So yeah, they will drop you to Pillar Rock and then you can walk for 1 kilometer from here to the Guna cave. So yeah, we were not able to visit the Pillar Rock more closely, but today will be, because it's open now. And let's see, let's heading towards the point where you can get a better view of the rocks. Okay guys, so this is the Pillar Rock in Kodaikanal. So they call this Pillar Rock because those are the two rocks, like they have a height of 700 feet and they're standing just there. And yeah, so we'll be heading to Guna caves after this. We have to walk for 1 kilometer. So guys, we are walking into the forest to Guna cave. So we started from Pillar Rocks and I'm like walking around to reach the Guna cave, and let's see if we find any cabs or taxi from there to head to the city, and then we'll go to some other places. Like there are 2 more falls to visit, and then I'll go to the Kodaikanal lake, see the forest here. Okay, so the gates are open today, so we'll be taking the tickets and now head to the Guna cave track. Okay guys, so we have taken our ticket. I think the Guna caves is covered by the pine tree forest, and it's in the middle of the pine tree forest we visited yesterday. So yeah, you can look at the same kind of trees grown here as well. Surrounded by the trees, and there are roots but a lot of monkeys. So let's head to the viewpoint. Okay, so we have to climb these roots of trees and head to the caves, I hope. But yeah, there is this danger of monkeys around here. Try this. be careful as this roads maybe. Be careful while coming up because these roads may break. You will fall down on those. Okay, so after climbing the roads, you reach to this place. See the view. Okay, from this place you can see the back side of the Pillar Rocks. As you can see, we were there. So there is something to go, yeah?
No.
Nothing.
It's a very risky place.
Oh,
If you want to go, just go and see just a distance.
there is nothing, only
Oh,
the
yeah.
viewpoint.
No. You see, what is the...
Yeah.
It's a very clearly...
Okay.
You can see the very clearly.
Okay, but there are monkeys and all.
No, don't have. Every, I think 10 or young boys have. 10 or 12 young boys only.
Ah.
Don't have my monkey.
Okay.
Very risky,
Okay. Okay guys, so now we are heading downhill. Now we're heading towards the city, but we have to figure out a way to like go there. But I don't know like if we'll get any taxi or cab here. As you can see, there are so many monkeys, but I'm trying to be crowd so they won't attack me. Shut up.
Hey, landing in a bunch of
ഇല്ല ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ ഉരുണ്ട് വരണ്ട അങ്ങ് എത്തേനെ
Okay, so that was Guna Caves, and now we are heading to the Kodaikanal city, and I have listed some places nearby which we'll be exploring, like the giant park and then Kodai Lake, and there are two falls, but yeah, let's see if we get time to explore those falls around. Let's see if we can find a taxi. Okay guys, so there are no taxis available here, so I have to like walk again to the Pillar Rocks, and let's see if we find any taxi here. So yeah, you should always take a return taxi, book a return taxi to this place, or you have to like walk for some kilometers. If we don't get any taxi from Pillar Rocks, we have to walk for 7 kilometers. So yeah, we are walking back to the Pillar Rocks, and the road is all empty. I can only see a truck which will, like, I asked many of the minivans if they can drop me there, but yeah, it's all booked by families, and it's like not that good to like join them as they are here for some vacations and all. As you can see, the lonely forest here, the Kodaikanal Wildlife Sanctuary, but there are people coming every 10 to 15 seconds, so it's not that scary. Also, as you can see, there is a bike. So yeah, it's a different experience to just walk around the place, which the roads which you don't know, and there is no network around. But yeah, let's go. Okay, we have reached the Pillar Rock. Let's see if we can find a taxi or minivan to share from here. I don't think so, but yeah, let's see. Okay guys, so we found a taxi at the Pillar Rocks. He promised us to drop to the city, but we have to like share it with someone else. So now we are at the Silent Valley, which was known as the suicide point in the olden days, and we are headed to the city. Okay guys, so behind me is the Green Valley viewpoint, which was known as the suicide point in the olden days, and there is nothing much, but yeah.